Lamaciko abesuka eBloemfontein afuna impendulo kungqongqoshe umthetho kulandela isiteleka sawo seyinsuku eyingamashumi-29 athi afuna ukuhlinzekwa ngemali ayithenjiswa yokusiza kulesikhathi se-COVID-19 kanye nokuthi kuxoshwe abaphathi besikhungo sezamaciko eFree State.
Our main issue that we made us to also come here is the issue of the relief fund, the third wave relief fund, where we have assisted many artists to apply. Those people are coming back to us daily to say, you lied to us. These applications, maybe you threw them in the dustbin. So we are coming to the minister to say, Minister, iphumani imali abantu balambile.
Umthetho uthembise ngokuthi uzoyixazulula le ikhalo ngaphambi kokuphela kwesonto.
The creative industry has been shut down as a sector of the economy in this country, totally shut down since last year. And that in itself was going to have some consequences and some ruptures. And if people are saying they are hungry, we've informed them that we think about them all the time. The reason why we have the first, the second, the third phase, and so on, it's precisely because we are looking at ways of easing the negative impact of COVID-19.
Ekseni umthetho kanye nethimba lakhe bavakashela umuzi womakadebona we-ANC umama uWinnie Madikizela-Mandela oseBrandfort. Indawo yokugcinwa kwamagugu izophothulwa maduze kanti kwakhiwa nenkundla yezemidlalo eduze nayo.
We thought that Mama Winnie was very much close to young people and she always wanted them active as sports people. We thought that the Heritage House is fine, but it needs to be combined with the sporting precinct. As you can see here, we have the place for outdoor gym for children, and you have the Kumbi court there, football space and so on. And we do all this because this is what Mama Winnie throughout her life was striving to do.
Lo mnyango uthi kumqoka ukugcina umlando kaMadikizela-Mandela kanye nezinye izishoshovu zomzabalazo.